Hello everyone. Imagine sipping on a drink before you go to bed, and that is going to help you to burn fat while you are sleeping. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's what exactly I'm going to share with you today. 1 cup of this drink is going to help you to boost your metabolism and will help you to shed those unwanted pounds while you are sleeping. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and peptide therapies. Several people are struggling to lose weight, and because of their slowed metabolism, they are not able to do it. And that's where I found the solution, where this particular drink before your bedtime will boost your metabolism in your sleep and help you to lose that excessive weight of yours. So first, I'm going to talk about the various ingredients in this particular drink, and then I'm going to tell you exactly how to prepare this drink and then how to properly use it for this weight loss. So the very first ingredient on the list is cinnamon. The way cinnamon helps is that it regulates your blood sugar levels and prevents those insulin spikes. The other way cinnamon helps is that it boosts your metabolism. So by boosting your metabolism, it is utilizing all of those carbohydrates and burn them during the night time so that those carbohydrates do not get deposited in your body as fats. And also this increased metabolism utilizes your stored fat and burns them during the night time. The second ingredient on this list is lemon or lime. Lemon is not only high in vitamin C but also high in other antioxidants. These antioxidants particularly help your body to reduce inflammation in the night. Plus, they also help your liver to detoxify during the night time. Accumulation of toxins are a major reason that people are not able to lose their weight. And by detoxifying your body, it helps to burn this fat. Lemon also contains different kind of polyphenols. These polyphenols show that they improve insulin resistance in the body and thereby again supports weight loss during the night time. The third ingredient in this list is ginger. Ginger is known for its thermogenic effect. What that means is that during the night time, ginger also boosts the metabolism in the body, and again, this is another way it helps to burn your fat in the night. The last ingredient on this list is chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is really soothing for your body and actually improves the deep sleep state. Deep sleep state is very important for fat burning. This is the time when your body is rejuvenating and doing a lot of background processes. So if you are going in a deep sleep state, the other three ingredients works better on your body and are able to give you better results. So let's talk about how to prepare this drink. For that, you need to use 1 cup of water. You need to start heating this 1 cup of water and add half an inch of grated ginger into it. You just need to heat the water to the point where it is not boiling completely. Then you switch off the flame and then add chamomile tea. Either you can add a tea bag or fresh chamomile tea into it. You let it sit for a few minutes and then you strain it into a cup. Then you add to this cup half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to it, and then you also squeeze half a lemon to it. Then let this mixture to sit over there for at least 3 to 4 minutes. And then after that, you start sipping this drink very slowly in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now, what is the best time to consume this drink? Do not consume this drink while you are going to your bed, because sometimes people can feel some gut irritability. So the best time to consume it is 1 hour before your bedtime. So for you will have enough time to process this drink in your system and for all the ingredients to start working in your body. Now, along with consuming this drink, you have to take care of few other things. First of all, do not eat anything after you consume this drink and go to your bed. The other thing is that you have to have your dinner a minimum of 2 hours before you go to your bed. Because if you consume your dinner very late in the night, again that causes excessive insulin spike in your body, and then this drink is not going to work for you. The next thing to remember is that you need to sleep for a minimum of 7 to 8 hours. Remember what I said about deep sleep. So the more amount of deep sleep you have in the night, the better this drink will work for you. Now you know this 1 cup of secret drink that is going to help you to burn fat while you are sleeping. Now consistency is the key. So it is very important that you consistently use this drink over the course of 2 or 3 weeks, and then you are going to start noticing a difference in your body. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel and also share this video with others who can benefit from it. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.